So, can you guys see my screen now? Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys see my screen or no? Ay na ba? Kita nyo ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've already listed here all of the topics that each group will discuss or will report later on. So I hope your members are complete kasi kung may isang wala, okay, that's a big problem. So it's like, having zero participation at all. So kapag nag-report yung dalawa or isa, then yung tatlo or dalawa na hindi nakapag-report, zero na sila. So please contact your group mates. Dapat kumpleto kayo. Okay? So sobrang importante nun. Kasi hindi pwedeng magkaroon sila ng score kapag wala namang participation. Okay? Alright, so we have here Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, Kamatera, DigitalOcean, Salesforce, Liquid Web, Amazon Web Service, Server Space, Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud, and then Microsoft Azure. Okay, so supposedly there would be trading groups. Okay, all in all, like minimum of 3 members each group. But sumobra kasi tayo. So some of you, uh, or there's additional 2 groups, okay, wherein there's 4 members. So supposedly dapat dalawa lang yung dalawang group na merong 4 members, and then meron pa dapat isang group dito. Okay. Na ito nga yung group number 1. So walang nag-accommodate na ito. So parang nabawasan ng isa. So magiging 12 groups lang kayo in total. So here's the plan. We're going to have 6 groups for today and then another 6 groups for next meeting. So kapag ika-anim na yung reporter mamaya, so safe na yung 6. So pwede na kayong mag-prepare ulit and then dagdagan nyo yung mga kailangan nyo idagdag and then para mas makapag-prepare kayo next meeting. Pero syempre, it's by fate. So depende kung magre-report ka na ba ngayon or hindi pa. Okay? Alright, so are you guys ready now? Hello, hello. So ready na kayo? Ito na ang ating Wheels of Fortune. I mean, Wheels of News pala. Any question or any concerns before we'll start picking? I was going to report first. Okay. All right. So if you guys don't have a question anymore, then let's start. Okay. All right. So it's Alibaba, I guess. So is Alibaba Group here? Baka mamaya wala pa yung mga yon. Please raise your hand. Okay, or please speak.
Nandito,
Alibaba
sir.
Cloud. Okay.
Nandito, sir.
What about your group mates?
Wait, sir.
Ito, sir.
Alibaba. So in here, Alibaba Cloud is composed of 4 members. So we have Demayo, Argus, and then we have Torres, Mr. Mabanda, and then Mr. Mangawang. Okay, so are you guys complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So let's start now as early as possible para madami tayong matapos. Okay, so you guys can start now. So I allowed the share screen, so you can share your screen now.
Ano ba naman to? Bakit walang kuryente? Ba't walang kuryente? Nandun yung materials sa computer.
Hello? So for those who are not going to report, so please mute your mic. And then for those who are going to report, please open your webcam so that we can see you while speaking. It's okay. So where are our reporters now? Hello? So that we can start now kasi sayang yung oras. Or, okay, so I'll give you guys an option. If your group is not prepared to report today, so I can give you a chance. You can report it next meeting. Still have one meeting before your midterm exam. However, your entire group will have a deduction. Like for example, kasi nakaset dito supposedly is 100 points, right? Kasi yun yung parang naisip ko kanina eh. Live presentation 50 points and then 50 points for your uh, PowerPoint presentation depending on the content. So, magkakaroon na kayo ng 10 points deduction on the live presentation and then magkakaroon din kayo ng 10 points deduction sa PowerPoint presentation. So, parang 20 points na yung nabawas sa inyo para naman fair sa ibang mga prepared ngayon kung sakali. Hello? Mr. De Mayo?
Sir, wait lang daw po.
Yes?
Sir, wait lang daw po. Inaayos lang daw po.
Sige, sige.
Ito.
So, one more thing, there is no minimum time or maximum time this reporting. So, if your presentation is good for 10 minutes, then so be it. As long as you guys were able to explain everything, then okay na yun. So, you can have up to 30 minutes, okay? Or even 1 hour if you guys would like. So, wala namang problema. Okay? So, group number 9. So para hindi sayang ang oras natin, uh, do we have uh, a volunteer in here? So baka merong group na gusto mag-present na. I guess none.
Rinig ba ako, sir?
Yes.
Simulan ko na, sir.
Okay, go.
This is our topic, sir, Alibaba Cloud. Sir, Alibaba Cloud provides user with high security infrastructure capabilities by default so that user can safely store and use data on a trusted cloud platform. Alibaba Cloud offers services that are available on the pay-as-you-go basis and include elastic compute, data storage, relational databases, big data processing, and anti-DDoS. Um, it is the largest cloud computing company in the China and in Asia Pacific, according to Gartner. Who founded Alibaba Cloud? On 28 June 1999, Jack Ma with 17 friends and student founded Alibaba.com, a China-based B2B marketplace site in his Hangzhou apartment.
So history, sir. History of Alibaba Cloud is September 2009. Alibaba Cloud is founded in and R&D. Nag-start po siya nung 28 June 1999. Si Jack Ma tsaka yung 17 friends niya lang po yung unang nakabuo po nito hanggang sa lumawak po, nagkaroon na po sila ng parang company. Hanggang yun po, sumikat po hanggang nagkaroon po hanggang sumikat po nung November 2020 at ang Alibaba po is holding on to a whopping 47.3% of China cloud computing market share. Out of all the China cloud providers, Alibaba is clearly in the lead with the biggest market share. Providing cloud. Next page. Alibaba Cloud, also known as Aliyun, is a subsidiary of Alibaba Group that provides cloud computing service. Alibaba Cloud is a cloud computing service provider that serves only business as well as Alibaba's own e-commerce ecosystem. Singapore is where its international operations are registered and headquartered. Alibaba Cloud has 24 regional data centers globally, including China South and North, China East, US West, US East, Europe, United Kingdom, Middle East, Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia, Malaysia, India, Indonesia.
So Alibaba Cloud provides cloud computing services like LAAS, TAAS, DBAAS, and SAAS, including services such as e-commerce, big data, database, IoT, object storage, and Kubernetes. So financial services. A digital revolution is gaining traction in the financial industry. Technological advancements enable businesses to improve the customer experience while also increasing operational efficiency. Many traditional banks and financial service providers are shifting away from in-house data centers and towards providing products and services through cloud-powered mobile applications, allowing them to iterate faster, be more agile, and respond to customer demands more quickly. Alibaba Cloud, with a comprehensive suite of cloud services and a proven track record of delivering value, enhances the capabilities of financial customers of all sizes, allowing you to accelerate your cloud innovation. So Alibaba Cloud Security Services. Alibaba Cloud Security offers a variety of security products and services to ensure the availability, confidentiality, and integrity of customer systems and data in order to build a stable, reliable, secure, and compliant Apsara stack platform. Security services are an essential component of the overall security safeguarding system because they combine products with services, fully utilize the functions of Apsara Stack and Alibaba Cloud Security, improve the security of Apsara Cloud products from technological and management perspectives, and secure customers' Apsara Stack platforms. So Alibaba Hybrid Cloud. Alibaba Cloud assists you in smoothly transitioning to a hybrid cloud with capabilities such as application of elastic scaling, disaster recovery, data backup, and hot upgrade. Alibaba Cloud Hybrid Cloud ensure your business continuity. It reduces your time to market, allowing you to meet your customers' needs faster, improve user experience, and accelerate your business's success. It boosts operational efficiency and lowers costs by utilizing centralized management for troubleshooting, system expansion, application deployment across multiple clouds, and DevOps options. It assists you in meeting security and compliance standards. So Alibaba Cloud offers cloud services that are available on a pay-as-you-go basis and include elastic compute, data storage, relational databases, big data processing, anti-DDoS protection, and content delivery networks. It is the largest computing company in China and in Asia Pacific, according to Gartner. And so that concludes our report, sir. Thank you for listening.
Right, so there is one who wasn't able to speak since yun nga, nabasa naman siguro nating lahat. His mic is not working while he's doing screen sharing. Okay, so here's the question. What is DBAAS and then OOS in your Alibaba? So we've learned about IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, those basic services when it comes to cloud providers or cloud computing. But how about the DBAS or DBAAS and the OOS or the object storage? Is that the OOS?
Sir, yung OOS po is Operation Orchestration Service po.
Mm-hmm.
Tsaka, sir, yung OAM ba? Yung tatanong niya din na isa.
DBAAS, the one that is beside SaaS.
Sir, DBAS po.
Mm-hmm.
DBAS po.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Um, yun yung sir, database as a service, sir.
Mm. So, who are the people who's going
Parang
to...
nagmamanage siya ng service offering, sir.
So, parang same lang siya sa mga normal na database like Firebase, PHP, yung mga
Yes,
ganun.
sir.
Is it the
Sir,
same like
parang
those?
nagpo-provide siya ng access to database, sir, without requiring the setup of physical hardware, sir.
I see. Okay. What about the last one, the OOS? OOS ba yan? Yung nasabi kanina ni Kwan, yung isa, si Mr. Torres yata yan. Anyone?
Sir, parang po siya. Siya po at yung nagme-maintenance tsaka nag-operate po sa O&M task po.
What is ONM?
O&M. Sure.
Well, anyway, okay. So, wait lang. Alright. So, last question na lang. What is the edge of your Alibaba Cloud over the other cloud providers? Kumbaga, anong may pagmamalaki ng Alibaba sa iba? Hello? Hello? Anyone? Is going to answer that? Mm-hmm. So, I think wala. Okay, anyway. Alright. So, what about you guys? Do you have a question regarding with the reporters? Anyone who would like to ask? Mhm. Okay, so it seems that they don't have a question. Anyway, okay, so let's start now. I mean, let's proceed now to the next reporter. All right, so just wait a second. Okay, so can you guys see my screen? Oops, bakit nag-choose na yan? Anyway, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right, so for the next reporter, okay, so it's the IBM Cloud. So is group IBM Cloud here. IBM Cloud Group Cloud. So it's composed of three members. So it's Mr. Duman, Mr. Magilao, and then Mr. Masvela. So are you guys here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you guys complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So you guys may start now with your report.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are the IBM Cloud Group 12, and this is our presentation. So before we dive in, let we'll just report a short history on IBM Cloud. Now, in the 1800s, IBM began as CTR, Computing, Tabulating, and Recording Company, which is founded by Herman Hollerith. In the 1890s, it received its first large contract, which was to provide tabulating equipment for the tabulation and analysis of the 1890 US Census. In the 1920s, this was the time CTR was changed to IBM, and IBM became the world leader in providing computer systems for both businesses and scientific applications. Moving on to 1964, IBM revolutionized the industry by bringing out the first comprehensive family of computers. This caused many of their competitors to either merge or go bankrupt, leaving IBM in an even more dominant position. Now, the advent of smaller computers and IBM's failure to compete effectively in this field initially caused some financial problems, but IBM remains a major force in the industry. IBM quickly realized the important role of computers and IT would play in simplifying organization, calculation, and collaboration for businesses of all sizes. They knew that the ability to network, have access to vast data storage, and adaptable applications would be necessary in the future for growing businesses to thrive. So when smaller computers are booming, IBM failed to compete in this field, which caused some financial problems in their part. With this, IBM quickly realized the importance of it, and thus they began to compete. And in 2007, IBM began to develop a strategy for cloud computing. They planned to build clouds for enterprise clients and provide services to fill what it regarded as gaps in existing cloud environments. And in October 2007, IBM announced a partnership with Google to promote cloud computing in universities. In addition to donating hardware and machines, the two companies also provided a curriculum to teach students about cloud computing. And in 2009, the range of IBM's technology platforms has been growing ever since it launched a cloud computing services division. And lastly, in 2011, IBM claimed that 80% of Fortune 500 companies were using IBM Cloud and that their software and services were used by more than 20 million end user customers. So IBM Cloud began in 2007. Also in the same year, IBM and Google partnered to promote cloud computing. The promotion includes donation of hardware and machines, and adding curriculum to teach students about cloud computing. And in 2009, the range of technology, technologies has been growing since the cloud computing is launched. And in 2011, more than 20 million end users were using IBM Cloud. This concludes the short history. Now, next is why choose IBM Cloud?
Ilaw, ilaw, ilaw. Bago tayo pumunta sa IBM Cloud can help you with the following. O bago dyan, why choose IBM Cloud? Meron tayong tatlong reason. Three reasons IBM Cloud is winning. The first is the IBM Cloud offers a broad set of tools. The IBM Cloud Suite is more than just a storage tool, as it consists of over 120 cloud computing services which offer dozens of solutions to everyday business problems. Some of the most significant tools the IBM Cloud Suite offers that allows is to stand out include Watson A1 Chatbox. Chatbox is one of the latest trends in customer service, proven to lead the higher rates of customer satisfaction and fewer costs for business. And
Hello,
the
hello. Okay, wait a second. All right, so sorry for interrupting your your report. But we don't have enough time anymore, so I will just continue the rest, or we'll just continue the reporting of group 12 on the part 2. Okay, so sorry for that, and
okay,
see you guys on part 2.